Walk us through what didn't happen in commodities this month.
No, I guess what didn't happen, the commodities have been responding to the dollar, and the dollar has been stronger, so they're going down. The key thing to watch in commodities is energy has been going up, and everything else has been going down. So the key axe to grind I have is in copper. Copper is corrected 23% on the year. It's kind of the magic level. That's what crude oil did last year, and everybody got bearish and then went back up. So I think the thing to watch is if copper continues lower, that's a pretty significant macroeconomic negative sign, which is unlikely. And remember, it's August. It's a slow time of year. When we come back, next month, which is in a few days, we're going to find out, this market probably went a little too far. So that's kind of my axe to grind. Copper, probably too far. And then you have positions are really pretty much very short the price for a bear market, which is unlikely from these levels.
So does that mean you have to be positive on global growth, Mike?
Well, I think you have to stay that way unless it really happens. And I think markets just kind of misinterpreting a little bit what's happening with this global trade. The U.S. administration is doing what Trump does. He bangs hard and then goes for an agreement. And I think that's what's happening, just trying to alleviate some of the imbalances. And the market's probably priced a little bit too bad for now. I just look at it from a trader standpoint. If you're bearish copper here, now you have to be expecting pretty significant global economic slowdown, which is the unlikely scenario.
And just wrap it up here with gold for me. So gold having its 5th straight monthly decline. That's the longest losing streak in about half a decade. Does that mesh with the bad headlines that we've seen? Where's my safe haven, Mike?
Dollar strength. Commodity and equity strength, gold does not do well in that environment. So basically, gold's the one commodity that I basically historically want to go down because it means everything else is doing well. So from these levels, gold's looking forward to the Fed tightening this month or next month, September. Once we get through that, it should be okay. But if the dollar continues stronger and the stock market continues stronger, gold's going to have a problem, which is kind of what you want as for the diversifier asset.